So you guys must have watched these kind of weird Italian brain rot videos all over the internet, right?
Tung Tung Sahur. Tung Tung
Wow.
Sahur. Tung Tung Sahur.
And to be honest, you guys, these are one of the hardest AI videos to make because obviously these are some weird faces, weird creatures, and a lot of people face so much trouble in creating these videos perfectly, right? But don't worry, because in today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can create videos just like these. I'll tell you everything step by step on how to create these videos perfectly with perfect faces, perfect animation and everything. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's jump right into it. Alright, you guys, so first of all, if you go ahead and take a look at this guy's channel named as Brainrot Journey, so you guys can see he only uploads, those kind of Italian brain rot videos, and those get so many views. Like, if you go ahead and take a look at some of his popular videos, so yeah, a lot of his videos went over million views. Like, the most famous one is on 11 million views. So yeah, that is absolutely crazy. And if I go ahead and open this video, so yeah, you guys can see this is basically just an AI generated video of some of the Italian brain rot characters. So yeah, that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna recreate this video of our own style, of our own story and our own images and everything, right? So yeah, first of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take screenshot of my characters and save them with me so that we create like prompts for that and then the images. So I'm gonna go ahead and first of all take screenshot of both of these characters. And then I'm gonna take a screenshot of this wooden character, which is obviously, you guys know, very famous Tung 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 Sahur. And yeah, now I have both of my characters saved with me. Then I'm gonna go ahead and jump to ChatGPT and simply provide both of my images to ChatGPT, and I'll be very friendly in a very natural style. Tell the whole story to ChatGPT. Like, these are the two different characters. The first bit of character which look same are both ballerina cappuccino, and the second image one is Tun 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 Sahur. So now I want you to go ahead and create me a story of, in which I will have the Tun 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 Sahur and the next one ballerina cappuccinos, and I want you to go ahead and create me a wild brain rot story. So you guys can see I've literally write the whole thing by dictating to ChatGPT in my own voice. So yeah, that's how frank and that's how natural you can go with ChatGPT. And after I'm done with that, so ChatGPT now is going to provide me the story of my own, which is the day the ocean brewed love. And then in that, I have all of my prompts right over here. And I also go ahead and told ChatGPT, make sure the dresses that ballerina cappuccinos are wearing should be consistent in all of the prompts to provide, the appearance of the characters in all the prompts same so that it remain consistent. And now, after that, ChatGPT is going to provide me the prompts again. And this time, you guys can see all of them are looking absolutely good. And so, yeah, once all of our prompts are ready, now what we have to do is we need to go ahead and create images. So for that, I suggest you guys use ChatGPT to create images, because trust me guys, it's going to provide you some of the amazing images, very consistent, like very realistic, very natural, that you won't gonna go ahead and just see in any other AI image generator. Like, that's how good ChatGPT is. But I know ChatGPT is not free, you guys. Right now I am using the plus version, so if you are not, you can obviously go ahead and create 3 images with ChatGPT. That is absolutely free. And after that, you can use like different accounts. You guys can see I have so many accounts that I can use to create images with ChatGPT. You can basically generate 3 images in a day. So yeah, that's really, really good. All right, so after my prompts are done, I'm going to go ahead and simply paste all of my prompts right over here one by one. So first one, I have this image, ChatGPT that provided me. Then I'm going to go ahead and put my second prompt. So this is my second image. Then I have my third image, then my fourth image, and then all of my images are generated with the help of ChatGPT. So yeah, you guys can see the prompts and images, both work have been done with the help of ChatGPT. Like, that's how easy it is, you guys. All right, so once all of my images are done and downloaded, as you guys can see, so now comes our video part. We need to go ahead and animate these images into videos. So for that, we're gonna go ahead and use design.ai, because yeah, you guys know from my previous video, I absolutely love this AI video generator tool. It is so good. It provides so smooth animation without messing up the face, and provides very natural, like not like morphed animation that you see in any other AI video generator. So yeah, design.ai is highly recommended to you guys. Really good. Obviously it's paid, but I think it's really worth it to like just investing in this tool. Like, that's how good it is. All right, so in design.ai, we're going to go to this AI video section. Make sure you select the model King 2.1 standard. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and simply paste all of my images in design.ai one by one. First of all, I'm going to take this image, the first one that I created with ChatGPT. And in the prompt section, you can be as simple as you want. You can provide the prompt like two girls walking happily out of the plane. Okay, you can provide this kind of prompt. Just, explain what you want in the scene in a very short way. So yeah, after I'm gonna go ahead and generate this. And for that, you guys, it's gonna provide me with this output. You guys can see looks absolutely perfect. Like, take a look at how beautiful the movement is, how good it looks, and the face are absolutely consistent. And everything looks so smooth about this video. And similarly, I basically went ahead and created all of the videos for my images. So this is my second one. Like, take a look at this. Looks so good. Like, the faces are so good. The foot movement, the hand movements, the body movement, everything looks absolutely top notch. And then we have the third one, you guys can see. Yeah, this is looking really, really good. Where Tung Tung Sahur saves both of the girls. This is looking really good as well. Then I have my fourth one. Yeah, this is looking really, really good. The wooden character is a bit scared. Then I have my fifth one. So yeah, all of these videos are looking really, really good. Just so to provide the scene, like in this scene, I basically just wrote like the wooden character is condemning both of the female characters because they are sad. So design.ai provided me the absolutely perfect and accurate animation for that prompt. Okay, so yeah, once all of my results are done, I'm gonna simply go ahead and download all of them one by one from this download button. Alright, you guys, so after all of my videos are ready with me as well, so now what I need to do is I need to go ahead and do editing, compile all of these clips together in one go. And for that, I'm going to use Filmora. You can obviously use any video editor you like. You can use CapCut, you can use Adobe Premiere Pro, whatever you like. But I'll be using Filmora because that's the most easiest one. And I'm going to go ahead and simply import all of my clips right over here. And now comes the most important part. You need to go ahead and provide some sound effect. You can search YouTube for that. You can search anything because obviously you guys know in shorts, there's no copyright issue, no nothing. You can provide any song. So I went ahead and just search in YouTube Tung 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 Sahur remix, and for that there's a very trendy song that's going viral nowadays, which is this Squid Games X Tung 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 Sahur song. So I'm gonna go ahead and simply download this song with me and also import it into a Filmora as well and simply drag this to the bottom. Okay, and yeah, after everything is done, this is how the simple editing it would be. Simply need to go ahead and export this, make sure it is in 9:16 TikTok aspect ratio, and yeah, after it's done, this is how the final output is gonna look like.
Cappuccino assassino. Tung 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 sahur. Tung 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 sahur. Bananita dolfinita. Rico cameo. Coco coco fanto. Belle belle fanto. Trippi troppi troppa trippa trippi troppi. Baloni lulli lolli scimpanzini bananini ballerina cappuccina bombardiro crocodilo oranguttini.
So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the very easiest method to create these kind of brain rot videos. You literally need just two tools: ChatGPT for prompts and images, and simple design.ai for your videos. And boom, after a bit of editing, your video is ready. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.